Fantastic. Hello there, Master Hellish here, and welcome back to our modded Let's Play. Now, if you missed what happened last time, Biffen, what happened last time?
We finished the program for the power guys.
Ah, yes. So if you want to see that
onto the screen,
yeah, if you want to see the results of that, check out the video, link in the description to the playlist over on Biffin's channel. But today, Biffin,
it is one that I'm very proud of.
What is?
Sorry to cut you off there. That last one, I like that one. It's cool.
Yeah, that last program was pretty fun to do. We've got lots of fun stuff coming up in the future, but we've never touched wireless yet.
No.
So we're in my lab today, and we're going to play with wireless and see what we can do. So I'm going to let's see. I've got some different bits and bobs in my bag here. Couple of advanced computers. I tell you what. Do you want to have one, and I'll have the other?
Yep.
If you want to go on my workbench, and I'll do it from my desk. Yeah, we're going to try and get these two computers to wirelessly talk to each other. For that, we're going to need some wireless modems. We made these using the all the stuff facilities in the room from a few episodes ago.
Yeah.
That's quite a few episodes ago now, that wasn't it?
Mm-hmm.
There you are, there's your wireless modem, Biffin.
On.
Mine's on too. Right, are we going to write a program or just lure it?
Program.
You want to write a oh, God, right. So,
I think so, because we're going to use it, right?
Oh yeah, we are going to use it in future. So which one of these is going to be the sender and which is going to be the receiver? Which is going to be the server and which one's going to be the client?
This is client. This
Okay.
is
Should we do it so that when one of them receives a message, it constantly prints it out to a screen?
yes.
Okay, let me find a screen. I've got some monitors here. So if I go like this, which one's a client?
This one.
Right, so if I'm at my desk and I type some words into this one and hit send, I want it to print out on this monitor.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Look, I think you've got the hard bit here.
Oh, great.
Right, so my program is going to be called Send Message.
I've called mine receive.
Receive what?
Just receive.
Okay. So, we need to open up the wireless modems if they're not already open. So, we need to attach the modem as a variable. So, I'm going to call mine Mo for modem. Because if you use the word modem, it all goes a bit funny. So, Mo equals peripheral.wrap. Oh, God, all this peripheral wrapping stuff. Mine's on the right. Is yours on the right as well?
Yeah.
Cool. Mine's peripheral right. What are you calling yours? You're calling yours Mo too?
Well, I was thinking of calling it something else, like
Okay.
Mo 2, just in case.
No, it's fine. It's a peripheral
Should be
unique.
alright.
It's a local variable, so it's fine. So with my Mo, I'm then going to mo.open or something like that. So the problem is I can't use my Mo until I've run my program. So I'm going to save, exit.
It's my Mo.
And I'm going to do send message. Oh, hang on. There we are. Type it correctly. So my send message program just ran, and in that program had my variable. So now if I edit my program and try and use Mo, I get my tab completion and suggestions. And if you do the same, new line, and if you get your Mo, there you are, you've got your dot and your suggestions.
We want to open it, right?
That's right. First thing we're going to do with this port is open it up. Now, what signals should we use for testing? We need to make a list of these.
Testing signal.
Yeah, we need a frequency. One.
One.
One?
Well, no, okay. No, 999.
One should be public broadcast. 999 should be emergency. You don't know how this works, do you?
Okay, 666.
That should be for evil plans.
010.
Okay, 010. So, well, you can't have 0 in front of it, so it's just 10.
Okay, we can't have 10.
Can we?
No, let's do 777.
Okay, 777 is our test frequency. Right, I'm going to run my program just so I can check that it's actually going to do it. So if
Is
I
it
do
just
that,
open and then 777, or is it like modem dot mode open? Yeah, it's just mode
yeah,
open.
mode
Yeah?
mode open, and then the numbers. It's not a string. So you've got your
Just a
speech
string.
marks. Yeah, you don't use speech marks. So I've done mine, and mine is open. Yours is open.
It's open.
Brilliant. Is it red? Oh, you didn't run it yet.
No, I'm reading it now.
Yay! I saw it go on red.
Okay, cool.
So we've got two computers with two modems that are they're both open on the same channel. That's a good start, isn't it? So there we go. That's all sorted. So we've got our ports open. What's next? What's next? So I guess I need to get the user input, don't I, after that?
Yes.
So I'm going to have to print please enter message. And it needs to be a string, so enter your message. There we go. So that is what I'm going to put out to the screen. Please enter your message. And I don't want the E to be a capital because that's just crazy. Then I need to read it in. So I'm going to read it in as message. Dot read? Is it read?
Yeah.
No, message equals read.
read.
Yeah, there we go. So now I've got my message, and just to test that, I can do a print message. But it did. There we go. Print message. So I'm going to test my program, and what it should do is say my message back to me. So please enter your message. Hi there, and it says hi there back. Of course, that didn't send it to you or anything.
No.
That's just over here. So let's edit that program. We don't want it to print it out to the screen anymore. Yeah. There we go. Right, we want to send that to you now. So I'm going to do the mo for modem dot transmit, and then this is where I need to tell it what port to transmit on, the reply port and all that sort of thing. So what port are we using? 777?
Yeah, for testing.
777, comma 777 for send port and receive port, and then the message, which is message. And that's it. That's all my program needs to do. Just to send a message. I'll need to make it infinitely loop, so actually I'll tell you what I'll do is I'll do a print and I'll say message sent, and then after sleeping for 2 seconds I will clear the screen. So term.clear. There we go. And then that's it. I do need it to loop round though. So after opening up the port, I'm going to do a while true with an E as well. Do. And then we're going to just move that along because we're good at indenting, don't we? We're good boys. We do our indentations. And then end. So now mine will just repeatedly pump out the messages that I want it to onto that 777.
I think true was spelt wrong. Unless you change that.
Did I do a typo? I did. Okay. There we go. Thanks for spotting that, Biffin. That's why you're here. Okay, so send message. Hi. Message sent. And then it resets after 2 seconds. Please enter your message. Now,
You need to set the cursor position.
I've just noticed a bug. I do need to reset the cursor position. So let's terminate that program. Control, Hold, and T. There we go. Edit the program. So at the beginning of the while loop here, I need to do term.set cursor, not blink, but pause 1 1.
Yeah,
1 1. There we go. Now my program is actually finished. Hi, your message is a message sent, and then it starts again. How are you? Message sent, and then it disappears. Well, that's no good at all, Biffin, unless we can actually receive it and do something with it.
So now we got to do this.
So let's edit your receive program and check it out. So what you've got there is that you are now ready and waiting to do something, but you actually need to tell it to listen and store what it hears as a variable.
Mm-hmm.
And there's lots of variables you can capture. Don't close it. You don't do that yet. So what we want to do is a list of variables that you can capture when you hear something. So there is a local event variable. There is a modem side variable that you can capture. There is a sender channel variable you can capture. A reply channel you can capture, because you can actually tell the computer that receives it. For example, if I sent it on 10, I could tell it to reply on 15, and then you can then work 15 into your reply. So a sender channel, a receive channel, and then after the receive channel, you can there's the actual message itself. We'll put mess or m. We'll follow the conventions of this being short, and then you can actually get the sender distance as well. And all of those variables are saved off when you do your event when your modem receives a message.
Okay.
Now, you don't actually have the reference for what this is, do you? So I'm just going to pop it in for you. It's the OS pull event for modem message.
Modem. It's wrong.
Oh, yeah. Modem message. There you are. So when it receives a message, it will populate all of those variables. Now the thing is, we're missing something here. What we need to do is we've defined our peripheral for our modem, but we didn't define for the monitor. So we're going to do, well, mo is for modem and mo is for monitor. So how about we do iter? Iter is equal to peripheral.wrap, and that is on the left, because we want my message to come out there when I send it to you. So we've made the monitor, we've made the modem, then we've listened for a message, and then when the message comes in, what we want to do is write it to the monitor. So we'll probably clear whatever's on the monitor. So let's run this program. And the reason why we run it is so that the internal memory of the computer makes a note of the variables and the local peripheral objects. Now you can see it's not doing anything. It's waiting for the receive command. But I could actually send one by going hi, and you can see that your program has now ended. It's got the little arrow. So it actually ran the whole program then. It didn't do anything because we hadn't told it to do anything yet, but that's all well and good. So, first things first, iter. We're going to clear the screen for the iter. We're going to clear whatever's on the monitor. Then we're going to do
position.
Iter, set, well remembered, cursor position. We'll do it 1-1 again.
Yeah.
Why not? And then we're going to do iter, write. And we're going to write the message. And we really want this in a loop, don't we?
I would say so. Yeah.
So we're going to put it in an infinite loop, and we're going to put it in an infinite loop here. Because after we've declared all of our peripherals and opened up our ports, we don't need to do it again. And that's what happens when both of us tries to type. Go for it. Go for it, Biffin. Get your while loop in. So we're going to do while true do, and then just press space to get rid of that. And come down. We need to indent these because it's inside our while loop. Biffin always likes to put his ends in.
Just because if you forget, and then you're scratching your head for 10 minutes, especially on this one, it's not so bad. But when you've got if statements and for loops and stuff all inside of something, and it's 100,
Yeah, you're right. If you've got like loads and loads of, especially if you've got like nested ifs as well.
Mm-hmm.
So I think this should do it. So I'm going to save and exit that. Let's run it. Oh my goodness! Did you hear what's happening out there?
No.
There's a thunderstorm. I'm just going to nip upstairs and just fly quickly over to the anti-rain machine behind the ME building. There we are. I know it says don't touch this, but I don't care.
4 charges left.
Okay, we need to be careful we don't use up all the charges. Okay, back into my lab.
I'm just going to kill this spider because it's annoying.
Right, so we have a blank monitor. We have a program which is running. The receive program is running, and the send program is running. I just haven't sent a message yet. Should we try it, Biffin?
Yeah.
What shall I say? There's only one thing you can properly do when you first time you send something.
Hello world.
Every time. Oh,
Yeah,
look, Biffin!
It worked.
It worked! I mean, it's at the top. I mean, maybe line 3 and indented by 1 would make it look nice.
Mm-hmm.
So let's edit your program here and just go where the set cursor position is. Let's make it 2, not 21, 2, 3. And rerun it. And let's do... What's the second message you send? When you do after hello world.
Goodbye world.
Good, but good. Oh, God. There we are. Goodbye world. That's better. Look at that.
Mm-hmm. It's cool.
So we are wirelessly sending messages between these two computers and displaying it on a monitor. I'm quite happy about it. The only problem is that these are both infinite loop programs. We're making way too many infinite loop programs, Biffin. It's not good. It's not good to have
a lot more functions and stuff.
Yeah, and then the problem is that we'd probably then put the function inside of an infinite loop, wouldn't we?
Yeah, most likely. It seems to be our thing.
It does, but it's because we want things to be doing it all the time. But the one thing we could do is like when we get our operating system.
Yeah, the operating system will
there'll be like there'll be an option in the menu like option 5, send wireless message, and you press 5 and then enter your message. It won't be looping around forever, but except the operating system itself would probably have an infinite loop in it. So yeah. So thanks for watching. Yeah, look. Thanks for watching.
You're welcome. Oh, I thought you was talking to me. I was like, oh, okay.
I have been Master Hellish. He has been Biffin. Did I do it right? Yeah. See you soon, folks. See you soon, folks. Spelt with 1 E.
See.
Bye for now.
It's cool, right?